Okay, are you Stephen A. Williams?
Yes, sir.
Case number 19 CR 107, State of Ohio versus Stephen A. Williams. Mr. Williams is appearing by Zoom from the Hunt County Jail. Probation Officer Kelly is also present on this Zoom proceeding. The defendant was convicted of aggravated possession of methamphetamine, a fifth-degree felony, and placed on community control on November 6th of 2019. There was a case issued for his arrest on the 13th due to his not reporting, and the court received a notification this morning that Mr. Williams had been picked up. Mr. Williams, the notification alleges, filed by Officer Kelly, alleges that you have violated Rule 2 of your conditions of community control and that you have failed to report to the probation department since September 8th of this year, 2021. And then Rule 3, that on October 8th, 2021, a home visit was conducted and the home was vacant. And then Rule 15, that you failed to make any payments towards fines and costs. That was signed by Officer Kelly this morning, today's date, and then there's a signature over here. Hold that up to the camera, and is that your signature there?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, Mr. Williams, you're entitled to have a hearing on these allegations in which the prosecutor's office would have to present evidence that proves to the court's satisfaction that you have violated these conditions. You have a right to have a reasonable period of time to prepare for that, so usually we would continue this hearing we would set a hearing in about 10, 14 days. You have a right to subpoena witnesses to come in and testify for you, just like the state. You have a right to have an attorney to represent you in this matter, to assist you in defending against these allegations, to counsel you, to subpoena witnesses for you, whatever other activities would need to be done to represent you. Now, in the event that you are found to have violated these conditions, one of three things can happen. I can continue your community control under the same conditions previously ordered. I can continue with additional conditions that I think are appropriate, including extending the term of your community control, which was originally 3 years to up to 9 years. The fourth, or the third, and the most serious, is that I could revoke your community control and sentence you to prison for 12 months. And then there's also, I believe, over a year left on your PRC, which would be consecutive. Now, you understand the allegations against you? Right, and you understand that you have the right to have counsel? And if you cannot afford to hire an attorney, the court will appoint one for you. Understand that?
Yeah.
All right. And do you wish to have an attorney to represent you in this matter?
No, Your Honor. I can wait about it.
All right. Well, you understand that if you do not have your own attorney, that you have to make your own decisions as to how you should respond to the allegations, and you would have to advocate on your own behalf. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And again, you understand that the court will appoint an attorney for you at no charge if you do not have the funds to hire them. You understand that? All right. Has anyone promised you anything or threatened you in any way to get you to give up the right to have an attorney?
No, they haven't.
Okay. Well, then there's a form that's entitled waiver of counsel. I believe they have some out there for jail. And that form is blank, and they need to put your case number on that and your name. And then it would read that I, Stephen A. Williams, the defendant herein, being now in open court, fully understand under the laws of the state I have a right to legal representation. I do hereby affirmatively waive my right to be represented by counsel. And so that is a form that you would sign if you want to give up your right to have an attorney. But we need to have something in the file to show. Do you have a form there, officer?
Yes, I do, sir. He had already filled it out.
Can you hold that up? All right, so you signed that here this morning, Mr. Williams?
Yes, I did.
And has anyone threatened you in any way or promised you anything to get you to give up your right to have an attorney?
Thanks.
You understand that it's possible that you could be sent to prison if the court feels that's the appropriate thing to do if you violated these conditions.
Yes, sir.
And you understand that that would include any PRC time that you have left, either 1 year or whatever time left, whichever.
Yes.
All right. Okay, then, have any questions then about the allegations or your rights? Right, then do you, well, the next step then in the process is either deny or admit the allegation. The denial is similar to a not guilty plea and it's saying that, no, I'm not admitting to this. We'll need to have a hearing in which you can contest the accuracy of the allegations, including presenting testimony on your own behalf. Admission is basically the same as a guilty plea. It says that I admit that those allegations are true and that they violate the terms of my community control, which means then you could be sent to prison if I think that's what should happen. Understand that?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions whatsoever?
No, no.
All right. Then you are still wanting to waive your right to counsel as indicated in that form you signed at the jail and proceed this matter without an attorney. Okay. All right. Then you admit or deny the allegations.
I admit that I may have a second to explain.
Well, you can question whether or not you're admitting or denying, and then of course I'll hear any information that you feel is relevant to me in terms of how I should rule in this matter. Sorry.
I admit the allegation.
Okay.
Um,
Wait a minute. Well, hold on a second here. And officer, if you would have that original waiver sent up when your administrative officer brings up paperwork to the courthouse, because I'll need to sign that form as well.
Yes, sir. Once we get present,
All right, thank you very much. All right, now, Ms. Kelly, I'll hear from you first. Do you have anything you would like to say to the court about what disposition should be made in a matter? All right, Mr. Williams, anything you would like to say? Then this is your chance to tell me, what any explanation you have and what you feel I need to know in terms of making my decision.
Your Honor, once I finished up the original program that you sent me to, I came home and I was doing pretty good, and then I had over it and got carried away, ended up going to the Phoenix Center Rehabilitation Center. There I learned quite a bit of things, coping skills, things on how to deal with life and how to try to become a somewhat part of the community. Upon release from there and graduating from there, I was given 10 days to vacate my house. I've had for almost 5 years now. I was still working. I was working at 80 most of the time. Past month, I became a little overwhelming. Everything else. And then I do have a valid Domino's. Supposed to be starting probably tonight or tomorrow. If you allow.
Is that Domino's in Greenville?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I figured out the age for work to know how the baby is, how to find a replacement and everything for my family. My also just got a little developed and everything. I just lost sight of what I was supposed to be doing.
Where are you living now?
I'm staying at 117 South 7th Street for a little while.
And who lives there?
Just a friend of mine.
Well, you said you have a baby and so forth. You have a girlfriend or a wife or?
Yeah, I have a fiance. We're allowed to stay there until I can get us a new place.
So she and your baby are with you?
Yes.
And this friend, who is it?
His name's Sean Weaver.
Okay, does he have any kind of a criminal record?
Yeah.
Okay. Officer Kelly, was he drug tested when he came into custody?
Your Honor, it was not.
When's the last time you used Mr. Williams?
I had a relapse weeks ago, and I've been thinking about being down. My wife kind of pushed it down, got me to start getting myself together.
Are you in any treatment?
Uh,
Are you in any treatment?
I haven't been for real, or it's called a second chance.
ACM, another chance, yeah.
Yeah, I have an appointment for there coming up, on the 30th of this month, I believe. We're doing outside treatment. I've been attending the Sunday night meeting that I got to church at 7 o'clock, the AA meeting down there in Greenville.
All right, anything else?
Treatment wise,
I mean, anything else you'd like to say?
throughout that whole time, I don't know what came up with me to, talking and contacting Miss Kelly. I was in contact with my parole officer, myself, Los Angeles, and the day was all perfect with her. Everything was a little too overwhelming. Quite honestly, I'd like to get another time. I guess be the end of be better and whatnot. But her this morning, and it's like to keep trying. I am doing a lot better than the last time I was.
All right. Well, Mr. Williams, I'm going to give you one more chance. It's going to be your last chance. I'm making a note of that here in my notes, so that if you come back in front of me, I'll see that I told you this is your last chance. And you've been in treatment now at a halfway house in Turtle Creek. You've been to Phoenix. It's time for you to put the things you've been learning to use. So it's ordered the court that your control will be continued with the following additional conditions. First, to be extended by a period of 1 year. So instead of being expiring next November, it'll go a year from that plus whatever time was told when you were not reporting. Told means it didn't count, so probably lost a period of time. I don't know how many days there. You're to be evaluated for substance use disorder and mental health at ACM and complete any treatment recommended. Or if the probation department, if they think you need to have residential treatment, probation department will arrange that and complete that. And you're paid any court costs and start making payments on those. Because you're not going to get off any control of the paper until you get to the paper. So this is your last chance. So you need to make sure that you get yourself straightened out and quit using, because you do have a family to take care of. We'd all rather see you do that, but if you don't report and so forth, we're back here again, from me again, then you'll probably, when you go to jail, if there's any post-release control time left, you're going to get that. Understand? All right. Yeah, well, are you being held on any other charges? Are you being held on any other charges right now? All right. So as soon as you get out today, you report to Officer Kelly. As soon as you get released. All right.